What's up, everybody? I'm going to be checking out some HTML projects that you guys have made, but I'm not just going to stick to brown belt and black belt projects. I'm going to be looking at any ranking at all. Just look at some projects I think are cool, maybe funny. All right, and this video is going to be a little shorter than normal, so I want to make sure that I get through this really quickly and I don't just, waste anybody's time. All right, the reason I don't want to waste anybody's time is because sometimes if the video is too long, you get a little too bored and things go in one ear out the other. All right. I mean, another reason is I don't have too much time to film this, so I really want to make sure I get through the video as fast as possible. And the reason I came across this site in the showcase, and it scared me half to death because the first thing you see is a lizard tiger hybrid thing, and this is from the mind of a crazy person, and that crazy person's name is JM. He made this Mutants Gallery, and it is insane. Let's take a look at it real quick. This is the craziest picture. Yes, you should be worried about that animal. That is hopefully not a real animal. I don't think it is. I have no idea what's going on here, but is that like an elephant gazelle thing? I have no idea. His name is Frank. That's all I know. And then pug or tiger? Put your, what do you think it is in the comments? Pug or tiger? I've been playing Minecraft for the past couple of weeks with you guys at Hackingtons, and it's been really fun. It's actually the first time I've ever played Minecraft. Was a couple weeks ago. Everyone's been super nice, telling me exactly what to do. So when I came across this Minecraft site, I thought I'd have to show it off. Now I'm a big fan of Minecraft, and this site is just too good to pass up. So this is a brown belt site by Mod K, and I love how it looks. It's a good example of what a brown belt should look like. Check out the nav bar. He's got all the images in the nav bar. That looks beautiful. We have a button so you can actually click on it. Go get Minecraft if you haven't already. You probably have though. And then we have all the games that Minecraft has to offer. Now, I played a total of 4 hours in this game, so I'm not about to just move on to Minecraft Dungeons or Minecraft Earth, which looks like Minecraft in real life. Is that just Legos? I have no idea what it is. I need to spend probably 1,000 more hours in Minecraft. So in about 20 years, I think I'll end up playing the other games. But good job, Imad. Got sauce? No? Well, come down and check out this site by Lucas M, because he has all the hot sauce, all the barbecue sauce, and all the condiments like ketchup and mustard. Guys, you should check this out. There are so many things to click on and buy on here. And you know what? If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'm a little crazy, but I will mix ketchup and mustard. And I'll dip a fry in it and eat it. I swear, I'll do that if we get 1,000 likes. Ketchup, mustard, and a fry. I'm crazy. Can we get serious for a second and appreciate the beauty of this site? But I don't mean how it looks. I'm talking about the code. This is made by Jed N, and it's a Caesar cipher. So let's check out what this Caesar cipher does, and then we'll take a look inside and get a better feel of how it works. So, thing I want to encrypt, I'm going to encrypt the word toilet paper. Toilet paper. All right, and then how much do we want to shift it by? Well, let's shift by 4. Let's see what this does. Encrypt. Examicative. Duh. So I'm going to show you exactly what this does because I'm such a great coder. That way I can explain it to you and you guys have a better understanding. And yeah, so as you can see, you want to take the value and then percent 10 it, and then you're going to percent 26 the shift, duh. And then you want to make sure you parsant, and then 58 minus 48 is 10, duh. And then what else? Simple stuff. And then, oh yeah, inner HTML will equal your string. So if you guys want to know how to do this, just follow the steps I laid out, and you guys are good to go and make your own Caesar cipher, just like Jed N did. If you guys want to get your project showcased on this show in my next episode, make sure to go to hackingtons.com/HTML show, put in your project there, and you have a way better chance of getting it seen by everyone. All right, guys, since this is kind of a new format, I was thinking maybe I'd come up with a new tagline, new send-off tagline. So here we go. This is the best one I could think of. See ya, SS.